Hey there, my name is Randy Orton. Welcome back today with iCoinPro. I'm going to talk about the exclusive values and the exclusive tools that you get as a member of iCoinPro. So let's get started. Exclusive, what does that mean? That means excluding others from participation, limiting or limited to possession, control, or use by a single individual or group. That means the only way you can access these tools are by becoming a member of iCoinPro. And you can do that by hitting the link in the description, randallorton.com, and signing up, becoming a pre-enrollee. And then we'll get you started in the iCoinPro Trading Bootcamp, and then that'll get you started into further training and how to be profitable using the tools that I'm going to show you right now. This is the iCoinPro trading portal. Now this is exclusive to iCoinPro members. And this is awesome. As you can see over here, you got your watch lists that are fully customizable. This entire platform is customized. You can customize it to your own specifications and what works for you. And I'm going to show you around a little bit. This is not live. This is just a picture. I will get into using it in another video. This is just showing you what you got, what's available, and the value it provides by becoming a member of iCoinPro. This would be your spread tracker, and that is set down here. You can see I have these all crossed off, but this is actually how you can set your spreads. You can go in here and click this little gear icon, and it'll open up. You can actually set the spread to the amount of volume these coins are going to have. You can set it also to the percentage of spread, and it'll actually send you an alert. It'll populate it over here in your spread tracker watch list, and then it'll also send you an alert. So you're not limited to sitting on your computer the entire day watching coins and waiting for something to happen. You'll actually get an alert that alerts you to when this coin's the spread's really starting to widen up on this thing, on any of these coins. And then not only that, it's customized. You can to the platform, to the exchange you use. I personally use a BinanceUS. So I just can filter it for that, and I can filter through the coin pairs that I like to use most often, as well as a lot of this others. 24 volume is settable, customizable, and that'll just makes it a little bit easier for you to just watch what you use and most frequently, and what you trade most frequently, and what seems to be working at the moment. As you can see, looks like we're looking at Bitcoin and US dollar right here. We've had a few dips, and it's ready to go. Looks like it's been going up for the past few hours, which is cool. And like I said, this is all customizable. Yeah, you can watch and get alerts to whatever you want. It automatically opens up to Buddy Coin Crawler, which is a way to set up some of the smaller moving coins. And this is Trade Finder. Now, this is all software exclusive to iCoinPro. And it's similar to what they've had in the past, but this is brand new. The trading portal's super new, and it's super awesome. They've incorporated a lot of features that you're not going to get on any place else. Specifically Trade Finder. Now, Trade Finders, you can go in here, click on this, and it'll actually populate down here potential trades, dip trades and squeeze trades, potential profitable trades that you could be watching and buying some crypto and taking some risk and seeing if making some profitable trades. Same with RSI Spy. It's exactly what it is. Says it is. It'll spy when a crypto pair is starting to fall beneath the lower RSI band. It doesn't show it on this chart. You can see it on a trading view. this would be the RSI, and we're on Bitcoin here as well. So you can see it's dipped below the bottom RSI line around 30%, and then starting to climb back up again. And it's likely to climb all the way out this top line before it stops. And we will just have to see. This is Binance. This is where you can actually make your trades. And this is live on the trading portal. Like I said, the trade finder connected, waiting for alerts. RSI Spy. MACD cross boss, MACD tracker, and then trading. You're not going to find anything like this from anybody else. They're going to charge you a bunch of money to give you this information. You're going to have to pay attention every day. You're going to have to be there on their emails for them to tell you, well, there could be some trades today. This, my friends, is live 24/7. It sends you an alert right to your phone. You don't have to be paying attention. You can be doing fun things. That's what I love about this. It's one of the things I love about this so much. You could be doing other things that life, fun things, but not working for somebody else. I mean, that's why it makes it so easy to replace your income, is because it's finding the potential trades all day long, every day. It's hard not to be successful at this if you really want to be successful at this. The trading's easy. The trading boot camp's a great way to get you started. If you've never done this before, it teaches you in easy to learn, easy to watch videos, short, easy to watch videos that introduces you right from the get-go to cryptocurrencies, what it is, how to trade them, and what to look for, and how to be profitable. That's all I got today, guys. I hope you find the value in the exclusiveness of the tools of iCoinPro. And like I said, I'd love to see you sign up, and I'll help you every step of the way getting set up and being successful. And especially if you have any questions at all, hit me up. My phone number is 217-216-0291, or click the link in the description, randallorton.com, and get signed up as a pre-enrollee and signed up in the free trading bootcamp. Have a great day, everybody.